Hello everyone, this is Mihaela from Axway. Let's dive into what's new in the Flow Manager November 2022 release. This release is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of an existing Flow Manager. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. The most critical fixes in this release are: you can unset a password for an existing credential, flows with deployments larger than 100 are no longer slow to load in the UI, Secure Transport is now able to pull multiple files from CFT when deployed from Flow Manager. Make sure you check our release notes as you will find there more fixes and product enhancements. An important security enhancement is support for additional SSH key algorithms. Security, performance, and compatibility are very important to us. To evolve with the growing adoption of elliptic curve-based algorithms, Flow Manager has added support for the following 4 algorithms. You can use these new algorithms and keys in SFTP flows deployed from Flow Manager to Secure Transport. And once you have your keys generated in the desired format, just go to Participants and upload them. Next, update your subscriptions to use communication profiles that contain the new keys. Next, it's now easy to check new versions and releases. You are now one click away from release highlights and the latest product updates. Simply click the version from the navigation pane. To help administrators keep the product up to date, a reminder displays when the product reaches a certain age. This will help you to determine when it's time to update to a newer Flow Manager release. As you can see here, we display the version number in the bottom left corner. With this new feature, if the Flow Manager version is older than the latest Flow Manager release, you will see a warning sign informing you about this. When you click on it, you will be directed to the Flow Manager What's New page. This is also a fast way to find out what new features or fixes brings the newest Flow Manager. Our final feature this month, Undeploy subscriptions. This is a very handy feature for situations in which, let's say, you want to remove a flow definition from products, but keep the definition in Flow Manager to use later. This new functionality comes with a new predefined role called Subscription Undeployer, and only users having this role can undeploy subscriptions. As you can see here, I have this Demo 1 subscription which is in deployed state. My subscription has a Fanta source, a Secure Transport relay, and as a target we have Coke as a partner. If I go to my Secure Transport, I will show you that I already have these accounts created because my subscription is deployed from Flow Manager. If I go back here in Flow Manager and click Undeploy, once I confirm the action for my subscription, the subscription changes its status to undeployed. If I open the subscription details, I still can see whatever I defined earlier. But if I go to my Secure Transport and refresh this page, you will see that Coke and Fanta are no longer here. So I can keep working on my subscription from Flow Manager and deploy when I'm ready. Thanks for watching. Install this release using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.